Creating a digital product involves several key steps. Here's a concise guide. Idea generation. Begin by brainstorming digital product ideas based on your expertise or market demand. Consider ebooks, online courses, software, templates, or digital art. Market research. Validate your idea by researching your target audience, competitors, and potential demand for your product. Identify what sets your product apart. Planning. Create a detailed plan outlining your product's content, features, pricing, and distribution strategy. Set clear goals and milestones. Content creation. Start creating your digital product content. Write, design, code, or record the materials required. Ensure high quality and value. Design and branding. Pay attention to the visual and branding aspects of your product, including cover art, graphics, and layout for ebooks and courses. Development. If your digital product is a software or an app, develop the product, test it thoroughly, and resolve any bugs. Pricing. Determine the pricing strategy for your product. Consider factors like production costs, market pricing, and perceived value. Sales and distribution. Choose a platform for selling and distributing your digital product. Options include your website, third-party platforms, or marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Use social media, email marketing, SEO, paid advertising, and content marketing to promote your product. Launch. Launch your digital product with a well-executed marketing campaign. Use launch events, discounts, and limited time offers to build excitement. Customer support. Be prepared to provide customer support and handle inquiries, feedback, and technical issues. Analytics and iteration. Use analytics tools to monitor sales, customer behavior, and user feedback. Make improvements and updates to your product based on the data.